Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping. Put the watch face up on a soft cloth and have a small pin ready. You need to enter the hand setting mode, press, and hold the mode or adjust button until the hands disengage from normal timekeeping. This step isolates the hands so you can move them without disrupting the digital module. Once done, the watch stops automatic correction and lets you control minute and hour hands directly. That's essential to align analog display to the digital time. Now focus on alignment. Use the advance or reverse buttons to move the minute hand toward the correct minute, tapping for single steps or holding for continuous movement. Make sure the hour hand follows and lands exactly on the hour marker. If it's slightly off, nudge minute hand across the hour mark to force hour hand correction. You do this because analog and digital modules must match. Precise syncing avoids 12-hour mismatch and ensures auto functions like finish by saving, press adjust or mode to exit hand setting mode, and let the watch re-engage automatic correction. Verify analog time matches the digital display across minutes and hours, and test alarm and stopwatch to ensure no functions were disrupted. If hands don't respond or drift, perform a full reset first. If that fails, low battery often causes movement issues, so replace it or seek service. Remember, small corrections now prevent bigger alignment problems later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.